Hi, are you looking to launch, expand, and grow your sales on Amazon? Have you been struggling to sell and feel confused, overwhelmed, and a ton of unanswered questions? Could you use help from a coach who can demystify Amazon, answer your questions, guide you on everything from getting started, a plan for expanding and growing, to the mindset required to realize your vision for success? Hi, I'm Melissa. As an experienced e-commerce entrepreneur and Amazon consultant, I can guide you on everything that you need to know. I'm a mentor, adjunct instructor for major universities, and I run CRO Digital Marketing, a growth marketing agency that uses a data-driven and psychology approach to skyrocket your sales. I have coached many Amazon sellers, enhancing their mindsets while growing their sales, transforming their vision into reality. I will guide you with clear, easy to understand direction and a step-by-step plan from product research, store and listing creation, SEO to paid ads. I will help you reach your growth goals with everything that you need to know along the way. Message me to get started and let's get to work.